Y'all, that's looking mean. Woo! Hey, Justin.
Hello.
Y'all, we're going fishing. It may not be the best idea because, yeah, that's what you just heard was thunder. So we're gonna try to beat that by going that way, and hopefully we don't get too rained out. And if we do, I'll just make this like a part one situation. Then after that, we'll keep going. But these chickens, I got a death wish. I wonder if we could catch one. Catch a catfish on a piece of chicken. That chicken.
Fight. Chicken fight.
Get them. Little peckerhead action.
Well, guys, Thomas has let the net escape from the boat.
It wasn't me, it's this bump on this bridge.
Now he let it escape.
Poor net.
So we're gonna try to retrieve it and see what kind of damage it's done.
Look at there.
Go, 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 go.
We talking about, Willis?
Yeah. Run it up through here. Put it in.
Yeah. Well, no. Hang on.
Cause it's
Yeah, because that's gonna be in the way. That just runs off the side right here. Like that.
yeah, but it ain't gonna. Ready?
Check my bubble.
Put the plug in. Plug's in.
Plug should already be in.
Let's go. We gotta go.
Let's go get on them.
Hey, you gotta pick that motor up.
Yeah.
I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine.
Looks like it's set. Yeah. He's already set the height on it, so take us in, cheese. Well, guys, we're at the lake. We're here to try to get some fishing done, but man, if it's not dangerous today, boys, this is a dangerous position we have put ourselves in. Real dangerous. Slow down some, dude. Whoa. Easy there, Wichita. We can just catch a couple of fish. We can call this a successful attempt, but the goal is to get where we're going. We're gonna let in, crank her up, and let her fly. All right, here we go. Wait for him to get back, and then we're gonna go out as fast as we possibly can. Just for y'all know, we're going straight over there. So it shouldn't be a big issue getting back and forth, just in case we do get in an old crap situation.
Hey, we got noodles in there too.
We ain't gonna have time for noodles. Let's do it. Boys, if y'all don't know him already, we got Justin out with me.
The fifth with
The fifth with her.
It smell like fish. We can catch it.
Scale of 1 to 10. Y'all leave us a comment down below how dumb this is, because we know it's dumb. We're aware.
We don't know how dumb.
We just don't know how dumb. So, the goal, not get struck by lightning.
Go, let's catch my fish.
That's a secondary goal. All right, straight to her.
That shit been marinating, boy.
Sure has. All right, grab your weapons.
My weapons of demonstration.
Fish destruction. Today is the day that I reel in a 40-pound catfish. Just as the lightning is striking, there'll be a 40-pound catfish. Biting. Okay, here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Benefit of doing something dumb like this, ain't nobody on the water.
Gonna do like it did last time. Look at it.
Already pulling them in another direction. That's good, I guess. You already got one?
Oh, he had it.
You should have let him eat it all the way. Whenever we start hearing thunder, we gotta start thinking about it. I told Justin on the way out here, I'm good with 2 fish. Just 2.
It's actually dissipating.
Yeah, what is the weather doing? That's what it looked like. Feel comfortable saying we got like 30 minutes. We also got to keep in mind, the worse this chop gets, the less this boat's able to be out here.
Huh?
So the worse this chop gets, so the less this boat's able to be out here. We'll have to do better than that. Can you catch fish before it rains? Absolutely. I got stolen.
No, you wasn't catching it.
That's gonna have something to do with it. Uh-huh. Yep. We made it. That's awesome. Okay.
By the time you leave or load the boat, it will be on you.
I know we're stupid, but we're not that stupid.
Oh, we're stupid.
Every time I get one pole, I done get bit.
You in Dink City today, ain't you? All the dumb things we've done, this is probably the top 6. You get a little jumpy, ain't you? I already know what the title of the thumbnail is going to be. I'm going to hyperimpose a fish, and the fish is going to have these big, massive, googly eyes like it was in a panic. There's one.
That's a good.
Yeah.
That is 840.
Ah.
Are you kidding me? That was a good one. Hey, that was a good one.
Do that again. Lay home is bright and where I feel like traveling on. Alright, you messing with your other pole. Let's see what's going to happen this time.
I'm getting.
Did it happen again?
There
ain't no way. I don't believe you. Is it? Actual weight to that one?
Yeah, there's that.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, you weren't lying. You had him. That's funny. Oh yeah, you gonna get hit on that one, huh? Makes you feel any better. I can't buy a bite over here.
Just drop them behind the boat.
I don't want to do that. That's too easy.
Huh?
I don't want to do that. That's too easy.
It's too easy. That's why you ain't getting no bite.
That's too easy. Yeah, I can see the line. Oh.
Let's
Get him. Get him, son. Sick him.
I just set this in now.
I'd keep that. I mean, other than my pride being handed to me and you catching all the fish and everything, I mean, can't say we ain't caught nothing. We got just a few more minutes to give it, and then after that, we got to cut. I can see the inflow boundary now. That's what I've been waiting on, looking for. One more fish we gotta get.
It's 7:18.
I know. I was right, that fish did get my bait. Feel good? That looks like it feels good. We got.
I call him a tail.
He's a flopper, that's for sure. Thank you, Justin, for putting in all the hard work.
That's a good fish.
I don't think that had any problem taking you to bait. We'll try to hang around for one more fish, but we're getting into an old crap scenario now.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah, we are.
I'm already getting hit. It's a little one. I ain't getting hit.
No. Found out why.
Oh, never mind. Ain't no bait on me.
Ain't got no bait.
I ain't got no bait on me.
Turns out you don't catch fish, it ain't got no bait.
Boys and girls, if you want to catch fish, you gotta have bait on the hook.
Yep.
Fishing 101.
As you're getting a bite. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, heck yeah.
Look how bad that little thing is. Chunky.
Chalky? Here. Put that under your booty. We're strike lightning now.
Strike light.
Yep. Y'all see that? That's what we're trying to beat. Right there. Y'all, that's looking mean. Woo! Guys, this right here is why we said don't try this. There right there is some insane weather. So, to be honest with you, I'm thankful that truck's being back down. That's rough right there. It's probably a little chilly. All right. There we go.
We got 2 kitties.
But that's not a long fishing trip. Y'all saw most of it was uncut.
30-minute fishing trip.
So guys, this is the next day, and I was just going to kind of give you a little bit of context to how bad the weather actually was when we got off the water. We weren't able to record it because it got too dark, but I did come back the next day, and I got permission from somebody to go ahead and record some of the damage that actually come through the town that we were really close to. So let me show you what it looks like. Whole town looks like that. The whole main stretch of the town, just straight up and down, just one tree after the next, man. So we got out of there, and we got out of there at a good time, but let's get on to the next day, shall we? Yesterday was insane. The town where we went through last night looked like a bomb went off. I mean, it was bad. Anyway, needless to say, it's sort of the same situation again today. We're gonna try to go back out where we were yesterday. A little bit smoother of a process this time because we know what to expect. We know what to do and how to do it. But we're gonna go back to what we call the honey hole, and we're gonna fish that spot again because, y'all, we caught 5 fish in an hour. So if we have more time, the storms today are moving slower, so if we have more time, we should be able to get on some more fish, in theory. Here's what it looks like. So it's moving like 4 times slower than it was yesterday, so we'll probably have more time to fish.
That's some of your old music, 3-6 Mafia.
Huh?
You ever heard of 3-6 Mafia?
Never heard of it.
Never heard of 3-6 Mafia.
Hey, he's back, y'all. Let's go. Oh, we're on. That's a on one right there. Go for it.
Got him?
Yeah, we got this one.
Huh?
We got this one. Come here, you.
Seem like a good one?
That's a keeper. Say? Fish.
Still nibbling on it.
Is it? Hey, that's why.
Piece of chicken.
Alright, raise up. Get some fillets off that. My favorite leader line right here. 25 pound. Trilene Big Game Mono, 25 pound. I like it in green. Right there. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, that was a decent.
That was enough to pick the pole up that time. Did you miss him? Dang. I mean, you might be right. Shrimp may be the move. You actually get one?
Monkey butt. That's a decent piece.
You can tell. Yeah, we could keep smaller channels because those are easier to fillet. I can get some decent fillets off of that. Yeah, I could fillet that. What? Do what?
We're gonna hook. If we get bit right now, that son's gonna hook set itself.
I just got bit.
You get bit.
That's hilarious. It's probably on there. I don't know. I'll go back and look in a second. Yeah, he's on there. All right, let me get my fish. Get my 3/0 off the side here.
Uh-oh.
You getting bit too?
Dang-a-langling.
You dang-a-langling?
Got him.
Hey, son. Come on, son.
A little blue cat.
Right inside the mouth too.
About got it.
Do what?
About got that hook in your hand.
I saw that. If you raise up, I toss it in.
How many fish do you want to clean?
Dude, I can clean fish quickly. I don't care. You catch them, I clean them. There's no limit, daily limit. So
Drop it straight down. Drop it straight down. Then just leave it.
I am. What I rigged this pole for?
No, leave it on the bottom.
It is on the bottom. Right there.
You didn't bring no rag, did you?
Yeah, I did actually. It's up there by your life jacket.
Up here?
Yeah, I put it right there in the cubby to the left. Now, I got 3/0 on both of mine, so I mean, even a little catfish get their mouth on it. Oh, okay. All right, okay, all right. What the?
Decent.
Oh yeah.
Good too. Making that ugly stick, man.
Man, he scared me.
Oh, you getting bit on that?
I'm doubled up. That'd come off. Would you suggest fishing before or front, Justin? I would.
Before and after front.
All right, raise up and toss in this next. Running my way.
There you go.
Wee.
Got my bait then.
Dead.
Yeah, he
I mean, overall, the shrimp stay on easier?
Huh?
Overall, the shrimp staying on easier?
Yeah.
I think you're on.
That's a decent fish. That's chicken.
Chicken. Yeah. Oh yeah, keep him.
Oh, he had this thing right.
He wasn't going nowhere.
Like one of them sex swings. Look at it.
He didn't know where he's coming or going. All right, got a big one on, bigger one. Get him. That's why I was worried. Oh yeah. I ain't take the hook off of that one. That's pretty nice. I ain't set it all video. Slaps it keeps. That's a decent takedown. I think it's on. Oh yeah. I don't need to. Got me wrapped up on something. What on earth? Here you. Doing. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna mess with this one.
Catch him next year.
Go that way, away from our baits. Oh. This one's coming toward me. Dank! What? Oh, this one? I was watching the wrong one. Oh, that explains it.
Down there?
Yeah. You're kicking me around a little bit. Not a good eater. I'm getting boing back here too. Looks like the channel cats are on top of these. Here, hold that. I got one on this one.
That's a better fish.
Yeah, it's better than that one. Blue cat on shrimp. I don't guess it matters. I don't know how your hooks. Come here. Alright, raise up. That one's definite. I'm playing the world of shrimp for a little while. Yep. I was right. Yoink. There it goes.
Hey, dump that water out and put it in the Kool-Aid.
Shrimp laid. Are you talking about put the shrimp in the Kool-Aid? Oh.
Right. Concoction.
See if it works. Jello shrimp with garlic. There's a takedown. That's a takedown.
Teddy. Oh look, there you go. Get off.
Yep. Update. It is raining-ish, which is why we have the waterproof camera with us today and not the other one. We can continue to fish until it is no longer fun no more, which is the general idea. Y'all, I had the camera off, but dang. Justin was like, good net, good net. I think he's
I need some pliers.
There's some pliers right here. There you go.
He's swallowed. When I told you he hit it, I can't even get my hand around it.
I'll pick y'all back up when he gets it. That way y'all can see what he got.
What do you mean hold it right?
Sideways, all I see is his butthole. That gun, dude.
Choke.
Makes everything else we caught look tiny. We got.
Oh, humpback. Ain't as big as that other one.
That's still enough to. You probably want to grab a net on that. No, he's hooked inside the mouth. He's good.
Slumps, donkeys.
What you got now?
Another catfish.
Good Lord.
This down.
Yeah, I was about to say, I put the camera down and everything.
Channel.
Hey, it'll eat. That's one of them bullheads right there. Ugly son of a gun. All right, I gotta get a line out.
Gotta do something, Thomas. I can't do all the work.
Oh, take your time. I'll get the net.
Oh, yeah.
That and by default. Okay, I was about to say. Dang.
Chodes.
Chodes.
Show the viewers what we got.
All right.
A dang cooler fool.
Take your time. Are you sure?
That's your fish. Yeah, that's a fish.
All right.
Oh, look at that.
Bring it. Oh, bring it to me. Bring it to me.
It's a way to end the fishing.
That's it right there.
4 pound.
4 pound?
4 or 5 pound.
Heck yeah.
Some good fillets.
You guys know, with the professional ability that we have, we forgot the outro. So during the editing process, I figured I'd go ahead and let you guys know a few things. Number one, that was a fantastic trip. Number two, Ayuka really was hit that hard. It hit him like a ton of bricks, not gonna lie. Second thing, I want to make sure that you guys know that we have merchandise available on our website, on our YouTube, in our channel description. So go ahead, get on there, check it out, all right? I'll leave a QR code up here above my head somewhere in this general area for you guys to check that out. Also, third thing, I hope that we have earned your subscription, and I hope that you've seen kind of the style of our channel, and it's goofy, and you know what? We're proud of goofy, dadgummit. And number four, leave a comment if there's something that you'd like us to try out in the future. We'll definitely read and respond to the comments that you put in our video. And make sure to like it. I mean, come on, guys. And you know what? I've never asked y'all to do this, but why don't y'all go ahead and share the video too? Awesome. Anyway, until the next video, the Rexstraw Boys, we gone.